Hello guys, so if you're wondering how you can add Bing Chatbot on your Google Chrome, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that and it will 100% work. So firstly what you have to do is simply open your browser, then just simply open Chrome Web Store. Now in Chrome Web Store just simply search for Bing, then hit enter. Just simply click on Microsoft Bing homepage and search for Chrome, click on it, then click on add to Chrome, then click add extension. Now, as you can see, the Bing chatbot has been added over here. So just simply pin it. Now, the first thing that you have to do is just simply click on the three dots over here. Go to settings, go to search engine, Bing as your default search engine, as you can see over here. After doing that, all you have to do is just simply open a new tab and click on chat. And as you can see, it is not working because I am not currently logged in. So log in with your Microsoft account, which already has the access of Bing chat. So click on sign in. Then as you can see, I have logged in and still I don't have the access to Bing chatbot. So that is because the Bing chatbot isn't available in multiple browsers yet. So to access the Bing chatbot in Chrome, what you have to do is just simply click on the link that is given to you in the description box below, and that will bring you over here towards this particular extension, which is Bing Unchained. So all you have to do is just simply add this particular extension in your Chrome as well. Then click add extension. And it will also add as a Bing extension over here, but it will be reversed as you can see. So pin this one as well. Now, as you can see, the Bing chatbot has opened. So all you have to do is now to open the Bing chatbot, click this icon over here, which we just added, the Bing Unchained. After doing that, you will have the access and it's completely working and without any issue. So first of all, you have to complete all of the steps shown to you in the video before adding the extension to the Chrome. So first try all the ways by adding the Bing homepage, then after that log into your Microsoft account and see whether it is working or not, and if it is not working, in the end just simply use Bing Unchained and then you can use Bing chatbot on Chrome without any issues. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.